Okay. Okay, this is another half of my life earlier, 15 minutes ago. Okay. Hi, welcome to Iceland.
Thank you. Hello.
Where is this place? Where is this place? Reykjavik? But we are in the mountain. What is this called? This rock and that rock. This is Asia side. This is Europe side. And we are in the middle. Yung kinat.
Totoo ba?
It is. You don't know. We are at the tectonic plate
Is our pilgrim.
between Eurasia and North America. Sabi. I did research yung tectonic which is located here daw. So it's good that we aray. And had the chance to visit kasi magandang araw. Dati umuulan daw dito sa Iceland around this time. So napakainit po. And we're so lucky. Lucky. Kayong lahat, ha? Lahat ng port natin maganda, no? Right, thank you, Lord. Success. Oh, si Kangarodan kasi katagsaon.
Hindi ako magsasaot.
No.
Okay. Ayan ang aming ano.
What? Ano ba yan?
Captain of the ship. Nahuli ang ship. Ano ito?
Nakalimutan mo yung aking sombrero. Ang dinala ko,
Bonnet.
yung pang waterproof talaga, napakainit naman. Ano ba itong Iceland? Ha, sabi mo, uulan ka.
No. Okay lang na maaraw.
Maaraw, mainit pa.
So yan ang aming group. There, Abby and Mom. And Kuya Francis, Ate Agnes. Who else? Kuya Lindy. Kuya Lindy last?
Hindi ko alam kung saan na
Sila Ate Marge, wala.
nawala sila si Nini.
Oh. Nako, silang dalawa.
Sino kasama niya?
Linda siguro tsaka si Nini.
Si Ate Bioli. Nawala na naman. Ay, baka hindi na sila nag-walk.
Nauna na. Baka nandun na.
Sa touch ko. Sila. Ang daming nagtutur.
We threw the statues in the telling them.
Sino ang nakinig? Sino ang nakinig? Ang tanong.
Meron man nag...
Ayaw na. Okay, ayaw na. See that flag?
Lake lang ulit yun.
Oh, yung flag.
Yung flag daw na yun. Rotate natin.
There, is the island.
David? Wow! David! Smile! Oh, yun oh. Yung dalawang rock.
Oo nga, no?
Oh, that's
Kita niyo ba yun? Look at that.
Ano yan?
Holding
It's the
on,
tip of
di ba?
It's the tip.
Nice. Paano na ito mag-ano? Zoom out. Hindi ko na ma-zoom out. Paano na i-zoom out? Naka-zoom in yan.
Hindi ko alam. Yan yung live, di ba? I really don't know. Zoom out mo ba?
Oo.
Ala.
So, ganito.
Okay, nasan na yung iba? Yan mo yung other face. Baka magbalik.
Ah, okay ah. Pero baka naka-zoom in naman.
Okay na. Sige,
Okay
magsalita
na,
ka nga. Pag hindi ka nakahawak, salita ka ng salita. Oh. Hello?
Saan? Sa harap. Nakikita ko.
Bakit kasi hindi mo kinuha?
Try. We'll try our best. Sige na, bilisan mo lang. Oh, dito, dyan. I'll try. Okay.
Ayan. The two continent.
Balik ka rin.
Okay, nandito na tayong lahat. Ha? Oh, yan. Yung isang ang ito. Okay. I just want to, explain. Kami, parang self, kami, tour. Kaya mura. Oh, nagbigay siya ng pan. I need to fuel up. Kasi mainit. That's good, thank you. Wow, Abby is fully equipped. She got everything. Okay. Yung mga yan, yung may tour guide, ang bayad po nila from the bus. From the cruise, $390 US. $390 US. Pero kami, yun, including na yung yeah, $390 USD ito ang binayaran nila. Yung nagbook sa cruise.
Hanggang Lagon.
Yeah, so Lagun lang yun. Pero yung amin, lumabas kami sa barko, tapos nagtingin kami sa labas ng mga transport, at saka kung saan namin may book yung Blue Lagoon mamaya. It cost us like all day tour around the Golden Circle. Yun. Around 300 US lang, hindi euro. 300 US. Including Lagoon na yun. Sa kanila, Lagoon lang.
Puro bato.
Hi. Welcome to the Tectonic Plate. Location in
Hindi
Iceland.
tayo kakain.
Oh, I forgot my food is on my bag. Yeah, but we will meet them there in couple minutes, huh?
It's okay.
Okay.
Ours too.
Okay, everybody here na. Sinong wala?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Di ba yun mahuhulog na? Di ba yun? Yeah. Kaya nga, dalian mong maglakad. Mahulog yung malaking batong yun. Oh, see, tingnan nyo, napakalaki kaya yun. Oh, nasa tip of the, mountain. Mataas po ito. Oh. This is where the tectonic plate. Yeah, see? Naghiwalay, right? That is North America.
Yan ang
This is Eurasia. Yes.
Parang sa Banji? Sa Turkey?
Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, the bridge.
There's Asian side.
Yeah, the bridge. Correct. And the Europe. Diba?
Asian side.
Yeah. Oh, ito. See? Shelter lang. Sila meron sila.
Big part of my whole family myself. The thing is, women get to around 115.
Sabi 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes yata bago kami makarating sa bus. Okay, ang difference sa atin, yung may tour guide na ganon, they stop just to look at the bato-bato, no? You can look at it naman eh. Tapos, when you go home, they research na what is that bato for. So, you're just wasting your time. You have a very limited time. Diba? O, pwede ka na rin maligo dyan kung nainitan ka. Right? O, malinis po yan, no? Galing sa bundok. Yes. Okay, let me show you. Okay, yan. Yan. Kasi napakalina. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Kayo nang bumasa dyan, ayokong i-pronounce. Can you pronounce that? Breaking Garilor. Breaking Garilor?
Drinking Garilor. Drinking.
I'm sure it's the history about this water kung saan nanggaling.
Oh, pwedeng mag-dive ko.
Correct. Okay, you start na.
Siguro,
David will follow.
Clams na ta.
Clams, bunag. Ano, bisukol ka no, tita. Oh, another nice fall. And here. Oh, dito. Ay, nako, ang linaw. Oh, nakikita mo yung bato. Wow, look at this. Oh. Diba? Ang linaw. Mas malinaw kaysa Guadafas Fall. Oh, dito. O, diba? Lalaking rocks. Oh, yan. Okay, mag-post tayo dito. Halika. Say hi to our viewers. Miss Andrea. Hi. Hello. Hi. We are in Iceland. Reykjavik, Iceland. Highlanday. Hello. I saw the golf course earlier. Oh, yeah. We go.
Malapit na tayo sa
Bus?
He
Yeah.
said, if you reach the bus, I will show you where the other falls is.
Oo nga, yeah. Yung Guadafas Fall.
Yeah. It's small, but it's nice. Sabi niya.
Aha. Oh, ganda. Diyos ko pa. Tingnan mo yan. Parang, ating kanyo ang tawag dyan. I don't know.
God's creation.
Yes.
Napakagaling talaga niya.
Of course.
It's so good.
See, look, he brought us here in the beautiful day.
I know eh.
Hindi
We're so
hindi sa, rain. Lord, thank you.
lucky. Thank you, Lord. No, and plus we are safe.
Yes. We arrived Reykjavik safely, right, David? Another beautiful day sa tour natin. Very beautiful in every port. Okay, kaya nang bumasa kung saan yan, nandito kami. Kasi, I may pronounce it wrong. Diba? Oh, yung maraming naglalakad din around the ring. Okay, itong tour namin is called the Golden Ring and Reykjavik. The Golden Ring. Day tour namin. Tapos we are booked alas 7 mamayang gabi for our Blue Lagoon swim. Dapat dapat madilim-dilim ng kaunti pero nandito tayo sa Iceland kaya walang gabi. This time, walang gabi. Sunny all day, all night. Oh.
I'm gonna wait for my
I hope there is a chance na mag-show si friend Nori,
Madam Aurora.
si Madam Aureng.
Yes.
Sana mag-show na ulibo mamayang gabi pag nasa Blue Lagoon ka. Ano?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, nandito na yung aming bus. Hinintay kami sa baba. Hindi kami naglakad pataas gaya ng mga ibang malalaking tour bus. So, that's good. Maybe 10,000 now. It's been half day. Ako'y naglalakad.
Pagdating natin sa Vancouver, mag-losing weight agad.
Ang ganda ng Iceland. Fresh air, fresh water. Ganda. Pero malungkot dahil kung nakatira ka dito sa mga farm na ito, magiging ano ka, troll ka. O yan. Ayan na yung aming bus. Dalawang bus namin. Kasi hindi kami kasyang 16 sa isa lang. Ayan. So, let me show you. Tao, ang ganda. Oh, naka po, non-stop. Doon kami galing sa end na to. Yon. Madam, pagod ka na? Oh. Good. See? Lord is so good to you. She give you again another beautiful day. Huh? And we are able to see the beautiful creation of Him. See? Very nice. Oh, ayan. La la la. Oh, may basura na naman dito. Naku po, tama na. Aba, first place si Madam Dingo. Asan na ba yung atin? Yung may very nice tour? Ba? Hindi. Nasaan yung bus natin? Nandun sa baba pala. Sina? Welcome to Triptonic area. You okay? Oh, yan. Oh. So, mag-washroom ba kayo? Because if you skip that, we need to go. Para makabort natin ng yeah. So, go. Go the fall na lang. Marami itong na pick up na kung saan
Why wait if there's easy way?
There's no handicap.
There's no handicap. One lola goes.
Punta ako sa handicap.
Yeah, dito lang. Kung magpakantik, puntahan ko.
Ganda.
Wait for the lineup.
Ang ganda-ganda. Okay, that's it for now. Andun na naman si Lindy sa kanyang dalawang baby. May dalawang baby. Okay, that's it for now. Nandito na po kami. Nandito na po kami sa aming bus. Bakit? Init po. Ang ganda ng araw.
May dito picturean ko kayo.
Okay, come on. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you, my viewers. Love you. Bye-bye for now from Reykjavik, Iceland. Bye-bye.